Output 5 volts, 9V, 15V, 20V 3A, 3A, 4.5A, USB Type-C tip. Compatible SKU or DP N 0TDK33, 0Y2XGV. Compatible factory model LA90PM 170, DA90PM 170. Compatible computer model XPS 129250, XPS 139350, 9360, 9365, 2-in-1, 9370, 9380, Precision 3540, Latitude 7370, 7390, 7275, 7280, 7290, 7480, 7490, 5480, 5490, 5580, 5590, 5280, 5290, 5175, 5179, 3400, 3500, 5289, 53002 inches 1, 74002 inches 1, 7300, 7392 inches 1, 7400, 7202 inches 1, 5400. Top reviews from the United States. Charges my Dell Inspiron 7773 perfectly. Bought this for use with a port replicator with power pass-through via USB-C. My Inspiron 7773 shows normal high-speed charging. The same as when using the original supplied power supply hooked up via the standard power port. Nice long cord, so I am able to hide the power brick under the desk. My laptop has a 17 screen and is 2-in-1, so I think this should work for most laptops in this size or smaller. Works with HP Spectre X362 in one laptop. My original laptop charger broke, and I was recommended this one by Best Buy. And it works really well.